Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah. If this is your first time seeing me, thank you for stopping by, and please do not make it your last. Subscribe, like and share my video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some ways you can make money with just HTML and CSS.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to
Making money while learning is the best part in the learning process, because when you start making money with just HTML and CSS, you'll be motivated to learn more, unless you don't want to keep learning, in my opinion, which is not a very good idea. I totally understand that you can't get your dream job with just HTML and CSS, but I also know that you can actually get some cash from it, even if it's not enough to like live your dream life, but it's actually something. So some of the ways you can actually make money with just HTML and CSS is: number one, through freelancing. This is a very straight way to start making money if you are an introvert like me and you don't like interacting with people physically. I know that you might be getting discouraged because I mentioned freelancing, and I also know that you might have come across some freelancing platforms where you have seen lots of freelancers with lots of experience, and you're getting scared because you actually don't have enough skills and enough experience. Well, do not worry, because actually I felt that way too. Yeah, I felt that way too. But believe me, no matter how small your skills are, there's somebody out there who is actually looking for that exact skill. So do not get discouraged. It's actually quite easy to get this job because there are lots of people out there who do not have efficient front-end skills, and they're looking for people to actually do their work for them. And there are also lots of software developers out there who also upload their work out there to reduce the workload for them. Examples of some of the works you can get on different platforms are creating landing pages, converting Figma to HTML, designing website banner, email templates, and lots more. The next way you can make money is through working for locals. Working for locals improves your networking too. Yeah, and when I mean working for locals, I mean those shop owners in your areas, business owners in your areas, small startups in your areas, and even property sellers. Yeah, those businesses that are close to you in your village, in your town, city, or anywhere around. The best way you can reach out to them is by meeting them directly, by going to their shops, their companies, or anywhere, and pitching yourself to them, and also offering your services to them. Some of the jobs you can do for them are designing a website for them. That if their business do not have a website before, so you can actually design one for them and also give them the online audience they deserve or they want. You can also upgrade their websites. That's if they have one before. If it's a restaurant business, you can also create static menu for them. You can also design a landing page. You can also create multi-static websites, or even single page websites for them, as long as it's static. Yeah. The next way to make money is by creating content. You can choose to start a blog where you can share knowledge and talk about the things you know. You can also choose to go through YouTube. Yeah, you can also choose to start a YouTube channel where you can also talk about the things you know and share your knowledge. Next way to make money is by creating courses. Creating courses and selling them is a very beautiful way to make money, because you can create a course, like a crash course for HTML and CSS, and you can sell them on websites like Udemy and Skillshare. Alright, I think I've listed four or three ways you can actually make money with HTML and CSS. But the bottom line is you can actually earn. Yeah, you can actually make money. Do not underestimate yourself. Do not allow imposter syndrome get into you. Do not fall prey into imposter syndrome. There are people out there who are in need of what you can offer. There are people out there who are in need of your CSS skills. So do not lose hope and just be focused and do the job. And trust me, if you can learn JavaScript and a backend language, there will be lots of opportunities opened for you. Yeah, if you can add JavaScript to what you already know and you learn a backend language too, there will be lots of opportunities open for you. So do not stop learning even as you start earning. Alright, so I've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for staying up to this point. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Bye, see you next time.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look